Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Zalo app. You click on settings, then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Zalo app. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.